In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resize an image in Figma. This is a fundamental skill for anyone working with design, as properly sized images are crucial for consistent layouts, responsive designs, and optimal performance. We'll walk through a simple, effective process to adjust your images with precision. Let's begin by opening up your Figma project and selecting the image you wish to resize. Once your image is selected on the canvas, you'll want to navigate your attention to the toolbar located at the top of your Figma interface. Look for the crop icon. This icon typically resembles a square with two intersecting diagonal lines, or sometimes a simple square with a line crossing it, often found near other image editing tools like Mask or Place Image. Clicking on this icon will activate the cropping and resizing mode for your selected image. You'll notice handles appear around the image, indicating that it's now ready for adjustments. Don't worry if you only want to resize and not crop. This tool serves both functions efficiently. After clicking the crop icon, a contextual menu or options panel will usually appear, offering different ways to manipulate your image. Among these options, you'll find a drop-down or a set of presets. Your next step is to click on Custom Sizes. This option gives you full control over the exact dimensions of your image, allowing you to move beyond predefined aspect ratios or freeform dragging. It's particularly useful when you have specific pixel dimensions you need to meet for a design component, a banner, or any other element where precise sizing is key. Choosing custom sizes will open up input fields where you can define your desired width and height. Once you've selected custom sizes, you will then be able to specify your exact dimensions. You'll typically see two input fields, one for width and one for height. Here, you'll simply type in your desired numerical values. Most often, these will be in pixels, which is the default unit in Figma, but you can also specify other units if needed. As you enter your new width and height, you'll observe the image on your canvas transforming in real time. A very important tip here is to pay attention to the small chain link icon between the width and height input fields. If this icon is linked, it means the aspect ratio is constrained, and changing one dimension will automatically adjust the other proportionally to prevent distortion. If you need to intentionally stretch or squash your image, simply click the chain link to unlink it, allowing you to change width and height independently. After you've entered your preferred dimensions, you can simply click away from the image or press Enter to apply the changes and exit the resizing mode. And there you have it. In just a few simple clicks, you can precisely resize any image within your Figma designs, ensuring everything aligns perfectly with your vision. This technique is incredibly versatile and will serve you well across all your design projects. We hope this tutorial was helpful and makes your workflow smoother. Happy designing!